When we created our conceptual mass models, we created a new conceptual mass for our model by using the mass family file and the create form tool. Then in the massing and site tab, we used the model by face panel to create walls using the faces of that mass. In the home tab under component model in place, we can use under the family category mass, and we talked about the differences between the mass family and creating a mass in place inside the Revit file. We can also use generic models, and all three of these generic models, mass, and the conceptual mass in the family file use the create form tool to create your mass. There are other family categories here like furniture, lighting fixtures, doors, and walls. When we use different family categories like the furniture category, you can use extrusions, blend, revolve, sweep with one profile, or swept blend with two profiles, and also voids. The biggest difference is that when you use create form in the mass family, the mass family category in the Revit file, and the generic models category, you will be able to use the model by face tools. You won't be able to use the model by face tools in the furniture category and several other categories by default. Also, some of the wall types are incompatible with the curved shapes that are created by the mass models, like the stacked walls. Keep in mind that by default the mass model is not displayed. You'll need to type in VG and put a check mark in front of mass under visibility. There are several websites with many videos to follow along and learn from, including the Autodesk Education Community, which walks through tutorials and gives you downloads for those tutorials. You'll need to join the community, which is free, create a username and a password in order to download some of the data sets. But the tutorials like this video are available without membership. There's a link provided in Blackboard. Follow this video created by the Autodesk Education Community to create models in place. This will give you some experience with using videos at the Autodesk Education Community website. We're only using the video for figure 1.5.1, modeling project specific components. In this video, which is 16 minutes long, you will be creating forms and extrusions for a small kitchen area. In this video, you'll need to create a floor with at least 3 walls. To create a small kitchen that includes a refrigerator, dishwasher, and a sink, and some counter space per the instructions of this video. The video includes extrusions, sweeps, and some of the other modeling tools that we covered, and placing a material pattern on the countertop. There is a small model in place component which you will be creating using the family category furniture that's a rectangle here in the video. And in this section they use void to void out holes in this piece of furniture, creating a wine rack. You'll use extrusions and sweeps in the kitchen area along with revolve, blend, and a swept blend You can pick the icon with the 4 arrows here to switch to full screen. The finished final project that you post in Blackboard will include a small kitchen area, a wine rack, and solid model forms that were created using this Autodesk tutorial. The tutorial starts with the refrigerator, dishwasher, and a double sink inside a small room. Some of you may want to watch the tutorial first, or before starting the tutorial in Revit, create a couple of walls with a floor and a small wall here to use to create your model. You can load the families, refrigerator, and dishwasher, which are posted on Blackboard, and this double sink is under the Imperial Library plumbing fixtures, but is also posted on Blackboard. And then for the wine rack, we'll go to the Home tab and pick Model in Place, highlight Furniture, pick OK, Furniture 1, OK, and then create an extrusion. The extrusion can be a rectangle, here up against the wall, with a depth of your choice, and then pick the green check mark. If the depth seems a little too high, you can always use these blue grips to change the depth and pick Finish Model. The completed project will include the countertop, the island, the wine rack voids, and other models created using the basic modeling tools. Within the Autodesk Education Community Exercise 1.5.1 Modeling in Place Components, no specific dimensions are required.